everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 from 2021 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all we have to do is to simply open the recent, and depending what kind of navigation tab you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up gently and hold it somewhere here in the center, and your device will open the recent. But if you've got the 3 buttons navigation option, then just tap on the probably the button with the 3 bars icon or the square icon. So let me enter the recent, and as you can see here we've got all previously opened apps, and of course if you want to you can close only one of it, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you've got a lot of apps opened and you do not have time to do it manually, just tap on close all. And as you can see we just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 from 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.